Hi guys, welcome to RK IT Helpdesk. In this session, we are going to learn about how to install subscription-based Office 365 on Windows. Okay, if you are still not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe and hit bell icon so you will get a latest uploaded videos notification. Okay, we'll start the session now. For install a subscription-based Office 365, you must have to log in with your account. Okay, for login to account, just go to browser and hit office.com website, office.com, and sign in into the console. Sign in with the username and password. I'm going to log in with Rajesh P at rkithelpdesk.com. Okay, just click on next, password, sign in. Just we have to confirm MAP authentication. I have configured MAP for this user. I have made a video for configure MAP. I will share the videos link on this video's description box. Okay. Just enter the authenticator code here. 022291. Oh, it's wrong. Code has changed now. 4488267. Yes. We sign in. Just click on S. I am installing Office on my cloud machine. My local laptop already have Office, so I don't want to disturb that setup. So I have created a uh, cloud machine on AWS, and I am going to install on it. Okay. So we sign in our office.com with our Office 365 account. Okay. Once sign in, we will get this dashboard. And for install Office app on your desktop, there is a icon install Office option. Just click on it. There is a two options: premium app, premium Office apps that includes Outlook, OneDrive, Business, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and more. And also there is a one more option, other install options. For get this premium app installation option here, you must allocate the licenses to that user. Okay. I have allocated the Microsoft 365 Business Standard license to Rajesh P. Okay. That's why he will get a installation option there. Just click on it. It will download one setup, office setup.exe. Download is done. Just open it. Now it is downloading Office. It will take some time. It is depend on your internet speed. It is installing. See, we are getting things ready. It is installing Office. Installation is almost finished. Yes, it is done. Just close this and go to search and open any Office app. I'm going to open Excel. We are using user-based licenses, so we have to log in Office product for get the licenses. Okay. See, we have open Excel and it is asking to sign in or enter your licenses here. Okay, we don't have any product key. We have to sign with our account. Just click on sign in. Rajesh P at rkithelpdesk.com. Click on next. It is by default taken a local account which one will log in system, but that will not work. We have to log in with our Apex 365 account. Just confirm the password here. We have to put authenticator code here, MAP authenticator. It is 935804. Verify. Yes. Allow my organization to manage my device. Just click on OK. All is set. Click on done. See that user is changed here. Before it will take an local account. Now it is taken Rajesh Pune. Just accept it. Close. Now we can use our Office product here. Don't need to sign in all apps. Just sign in only one app, and after that you can use all the apps. Let's check Word. Microsoft Word will not ask sign in. It will take automatically. See, it is taken Rajesh login directly. Okay. In this session, we learn about how to install subscription-based Office on Windows. Okay, and we successfully activated with the sign-in of users. Okay, hope you understand the video. If you like the video, please do comment and share with your friends. And do not forget to subscribe RK at Helpdesk. Thank you for watching.